We all know rApps drive the shift towards autonomous networks. Today I'm spotlighting enabler rApps that makes that journey even smoother from development to maintenance. Let's go! Hi, I'm János Elegfeld, the Strategic Product Manager focusing on enabler rApps and data management at Ericsson. It is time to look at enabler rApps and their capabilities to optimize other rApps in the ecosystem, while making it even easier to launch new powerful services. Today, creating new rApps often involves duplications. Many rApps rely on the same basic functionalities that need to be re-implemented again and again for every new rApp. You can use enabler rApps to provide the same functionalities instantly, which not only lowers the development costs and shortens time to market, but also gives more time to your team to focus on new use cases creating real value. One can adapt the platform or create extension libraries that work similarly to enabler rApps, but they tend to be not compatible to other vendors' software solutions. They also make the rApps heavier, slower, and less portable across ecosystems. Enabler rApps offer a more streamlined experience while avoiding vendor lock-in and heavy builds. Instead of building functionalities like performance monitoring, network classification, or configuration history from scratch every time a new project starts, one can rely on enabler rApps that provide the same services through Open compliant interfaces. Our performance monitoring enabler rApp is a good example. It monitors the network and detects performance issues. It's also designed specifically to work alongside other rApps, so other rApps can offload the performance monitoring to this enabler, making the development and lifecycle management simpler and cheaper. Enabler rApps offer a number of benefits. Let me highlight a few of them. Firstly, they reduce the total cost of ownership by eliminating duplication. Developers no longer need to spend time to build the same functionalities again and again, and centralizing common functionalities lowers the operational costs. Secondly, they improve the time to market because they make it faster to develop, test, and deploy rApps. Developers can simply plug in an enabler rApp to handle the basics and focus completely on creating real values in a slimmed-down, more efficient package. Thirdly, they use Open compliant interfaces, which avoids vendor lock-in and fosters a more open ecosystem. Essentially, enabler rApps allow operators and other partners to innovate faster, to reduce the cost, and to create a future-ready network fully aligned to the Open vision.